So right now I'm trying to profit on brickplanet, and I just sent this trade. I really think it's pretty fair because if you look up at the corner, he's 327, and I'm giving 416. And I know it's the new hat, but this guy has 9 of these ones already, like the ones of my hats. And these two, I really want the face. I really could care less about the hat. So I'm gonna sell this for credits because I don't have any credits yet. As you can see on the top right, top right corner. And this hat right here, it's like 100 and something. But I'm also asking for 20 credits and 25 bits. So that's like the thing. I don't know if that's fair or not. So I don't know if this guy's gonna accept because of that or not gonna accept. See, when I was new, I used to spam trade my friends for such unfair trades. Do not spam my friends, please. They're pretty chill. See, I have traded him in the past, and he is my friend. Hold on, I think I can search him. Yeah, he's right there. Recently searched. See, remove friend. This guy is awesome, bro. Thanks for the bits, my guy. Wow, dude, thanks for his trust. Very legit user. Thanks for the free items. Trusted 100%. He gives people awesome items. Is best. Him is legit, bros. See, he's a good guy. But he's offline. So right now I'm gonna go into Profit Sell Trade, the best group out there, which I think gained 5,000 people. Ooh, please don't advertise your clothing. Oh, dude, I'm gonna advertise my clothing if I want to. Let's see what he got. Oh, he's pretty good. How much? Oh, that's unfair for my thing. I might ask for the same stuff. These, oh no, they gone up. I could ask for this if I really want it. I don't really want it though. I could add something else. I really want these. Oh, I always wanted those. This is something that's so much. These, oh, I want them. What? There's 0 credits at the moment? Dude, I want that. He's gonna go up and stuff. That's expensive. I forgot about that. It's expensive. I don't think these are. I wouldn't mind having one of those. I don't think you'd mind giving one of these away. Look at that. That's a lot of stuff here. Oh damn, I can still add something? I always wanted these, but now they're too expensive for me to afford. I could give him all my bits though, but I only have 65. This is the face I also want. So let me add some bits. All I really want is 25. Hold on. 25. And I'll take 20 bits. Not even this is my trade. I think it's very fair. Because this is not worth anything. Don't know why. Send trade. Yes. You can't take my youth away. Let me look. I don't know why they're not worth anything. I want to get a crate right now, but you know, it's impossible to get crates. Stop it! Don't do this to me. I have the hiccups and I'm gonna have to reset. Oh no, I'm not gonna have to. Stop it! I might reset, honestly. I want these black glowing eyes, but I bet they're more expensive now. Because they were actually real cheap when they were out. Yeah, they're so expensive now. This guy's selling it for way much expensiver than it needs to be. Okay, let's click on him. Because he has them. Oh, whoa. Look at that net worth. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Okay, we'll go back one. Come on, brickplanet. Don't lag on me now. Let me, I already have a store open, too. Oh. Not supposed to show those. This guy used to sell on Roblox. Oh, be caught, you I don't care. Let him sell Roblox. It's his thing. It's his life. Who cares? Oh, that was such a fair trade. 0 bits. Why are these worth 0 bits? I want those. I want those. I don't need them, I want them. Okay, you don't really need something, you just want them. I don't know what to trade for. Oh, yes. Oh, no, this used to be 8,000. It went down in value a lot. It went down so much. That's my dream item, by the way. Change, but I don't wanna do. Hey. I think that's be fair. That's a little more, but I should have added like 5 bits because I do not like having an uneven amount. What does it say? 65.65. Okay, math. Oh look, I made 5 bits today. That's why I have these. I made 3 sales on my beautiful shirts I made. Let me go to my profile. I used to be, I think I'm so naked. Yeah, I'm naked. Oh my god, look how old these are. Hi y'all, my name is Mrs. Poppins and welcome to my profile. This was my first day, I think. I post that. Oh, he's online. Yes. I used to bother him for trades all the time. Oh no, he turned off his trades. Oh damn, he joined in 2016? Pain, but I don't wanna pay. Brick states. I don't know. But if I go to here, I can actually find some people to trade with. Hold on. Ah, the lag. I usually click enter, and it enters on Roblox. I'm still getting used to this. Please don't advertise your clothing on the group wall, thanks. Follow us. No! Profits all trade numbers. Who wants to trade? Hello? Looking for a rainbow bandana, please send. Also, don't be afraid to send anything else, just the bandana. Oh, thank God. Like, I'm not gonna be afraid to send some other trade. Oh, her outfit's cute. That's a cute outfit. Oh, ooh, actually I can do this. Oh wait. Stop! I don't care! I could do that. Just add on some bits. The pig face is a lot. I could just get the pig face, right? I don't know if she would accept that though. I'll send the trade, man. But I don't know, because that pig face, I would put that on my outfit right away. It looks so good. Gave its profile visit. You know what? I might try to add her. Of course you're the first on your goddamn profile. Oh wait, you can't write on her wall unless you're friends, I believe. Friends with. Oh, she's only friends with cool kids. I wish that I could. Like, this is the dumbest song. This these are, oh, they used to be cheap, so you know they're expensive. Now, I'm not gonna accept any trades unless I profit, but you can trade me. I'm Mrs. Poppins. And my holidays. Oh, do you know? I'll profit off of that. That. Yes. I also want 2 limiteds. But if you guys are gonna give me like a really good limited or my fake one, like don't do that. But if you guys don't play brickplanet, can you at least like come to my profile, make an account, and come to my profile? I want you, hold on, let me demonstrate with my friend's account. You go to someone's profile, and you click, I forgot what, I don't know, backpack, you gotta click right there, backpack, and then you go to shirts, and then you buy my 3 shirts I have. I'll show you them, because I made them. I like them a lot. Ow. I just hurt my ear. Ow. I'm trying to get to my inventory. Oh, here we go. Profile. This is my username right here. It says I'm online. You guys can trade me when I'm offline too. It doesn't matter whatever you do. And if you send me a friend request, I will accept. See, these are my 3 shirts. My muscle. I wear this shirt. Because I get it for free if I make it. So. Hey yo, my peeps. Look at that. That looks great. No sponsorships. Hold on, creations. Hold on, let me go to get. Oh, that you buy? I don't know, for 1 bit. 0 credits versus yesterday. I really want to. Let's go see if anyone responded to my trades. Let's see. I sent 13. Oh, we're just gonna see if my friend. He didn't respond yet. I actually want him to accept that. Sent. Change. But you're online. What do you mean? If I'm online, I'm always looking out for trades. They didn't even respond yet. I don't blame her. I mean, like, I'll do a following up video to show you guys if anyone responded. I think this guy might have. He probably declined. I don't know what I traded. Yeah, actually, it's a fair trade. I don't know why he didn't accept. See, it's 360 and mine's at 15. So I had some bets and credits. Ooh, snap. I don't know if I got any. They received 0. I always check.